All right, here is piano assignment number 5. I've added 3 new measures and a new chord. Remember, take your time and learn 1 to 2 new measures at a time. And remember, we're just days away from the game changer I mentioned in part 8, so go back and watch my last video if you missed it. Okay, here's today's lesson. Okay, stay tuned because the big announcement is right around the corner. Imagine never having to watch any more YouTube piano tutorials or pay for boring piano lessons ever again. Remember to subscribe to be the first to know. Imagine having access to the most advanced music software and being able to create your own piano tutorials to any song you want to learn. And just in case you missed it, my former piano teacher is going to show you how to get this software for free, so stay tuned. We're just days away. My name is Andrew, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.